Well, here is a nifty little speaker. Look at the patina on this beautiful little speaker. What we're going to do is we're going to completely disassemble this. We've removed some of the electronics that were in there. They were rattling around inside. The speaker, as you can see, is blown completely. It is an old speaker. We're going to salvage it. We don't want to ruin the frame. We pulled the wiring. It had a transformer in it. It was foobarred. Using a period correct screw. Get the really good screwdriver on it. Oh, we're turning it. Alright. There's that one. Out of there. One more. The transformer is here, and this is, of course, our volume control. Let's see if we can get it out of there without breaking anything. Yep, there we are. Oh, I see what's going on here. We'll aerosol glue that onto the face. It really makes the front. So we'll set that over there. Oops. So there you go. There's the three components. Alright, that came off fairly easy. I don't think the speaker is going to be the same thing. I haven't ruled out just building a new baffle altogether. These are awesome. We're just dreaming here. That's two 5x3s. These are bad boys. This is a bad boy too. Let's see what that looks like in there. Interesting. About the rustiest dang bolts I've ever seen. And they came off. I can't believe it. So, there you are. Sometimes you can't beat it with a stick. Look at that. I took a coin, and that's my bezel. If I leave it offset like this, I can put a big old circuit in there. It would look like that.